Designed for strength, durability, and energy efficiency, Kolbe's Forgent series is an ideal solution for new construction or replacement projects. This high-performance product line is now offering a complementary multi-slide door in 2 configurations to help achieve your vision for indoor-outdoor living. The 3-panel multi-slide door comes impact certified and meets HVAC requirements. With a maximum 12-foot wide by 8-foot tall opening, the 2 doors can be configured to slide in either direction with a stationary end panel. The 6-panel multi-slide door accommodates a maximum of 23-foot wide by 8-foot tall opening. The end panels are stationary with biparting operation. Available in Forgent series' popular exterior and interior color palette, these doors also come with a pleated retractable screen option and modern hardware selection. Complement your design with expansive openings from Kolbe's Forgent series and experience broader views, added performance, and convenient passage to your surroundings. To learn more about this and other Kolbe products, please visit our website at kolbewindows.com.